Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving into a debate that's been raging since the dawn of fitness. Bodyweight exercises versus weight training. Which one reigns supreme? It's a question that has sparked endless arguments. Now, I'm sure you've heard all the arguments. Bodyweight guys will tell you it's all about functional strength. Weightlifters say size is king. So, who's right? Well, that's what we're here to find out. We're gonna break it all down and see which method comes out on top. Get ready to have your mind blown. But before we move forward, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start with the OG bodyweight training, using your body as resistance to build strength and muscle. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, primal movements. Tap into primal strength anywhere, anytime. No fancy gyms or equipment needed. Just you, your body, and willpower. Bodyweight training can be incredibly challenging. Advanced variations require strength, balance, and coordination. Muscle-ups, handstand, push-ups, pistol squats, you name it. Let's step into the iron jungle and talk about weight training. This is where things get interesting. Dumbbells, barbells, plates clanging. Weight training is about progressive overload. Challenge your muscles by adding more weight. Tear down and rebuild stronger. The beauty of weights is the variety. Compound lifts work multiple muscle groups. Isolation exercises target specific muscles. Sculpt your physique with precision. Want bigger biceps? Curl some iron? Want a stronger chest? Hit the bench press. So we've got bodyweight, the primal powerhouse, and weight training, the Iron King. But which one reigns supreme? Both engage muscles differently. Bodyweight exercises recruit multiple muscle groups, promoting functional strength. Think push-ups. You're using your chest, triceps, core, and legs. It's a full body movement. Weight training allows for targeted muscle isolation. Focus on specific muscles for growth. Want cannonball shoulders? Do military presses. Want sculpted triceps? Do close grip bench presses. Beyond the bulge benefits of bodyweight training. Now, muscle growth is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about the other benefits of bodyweight training. One of the biggest advantages is its focus on functional strength. These are the movements that translate to everyday life. Lifting heavy objects, sprinting, climbing, things that make you feel like a real-life superhero. Bodyweight exercises also improve your balance and coordination. Think about it. Holding a handstand requires incredible core strength and stability. Mastering a pistol squat takes balance and coordination that most people can only dream of. And the best part? You can do bodyweight exercises anywhere, anytime. No gym, no problem. Park bench, living room floor, hotel room, the world is your gym. The power of iron benefits of weight training. But don't count weight training out just yet. It's got its own set of superpowers. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to progressively overload your muscles. With bodyweight exercises, you're limited by your own body weight. But with weights, you can keep adding more weight to the bar, forcing your muscles to adapt and grow. This progressive overload is crucial for maximizing muscle hypertrophy, the process of building bigger, stronger muscles. And let's not forget about the mental toughness that weight training builds. Pushing yourself to lift heavier weights, to grind out that last rep, it builds resilience, discipline, and a never-quit attitude that spills over into all areas of life. No excuses. The flexibility of bodyweight training. Let's talk about convenience for a second. Bodyweight training wins hands down in this department. No equipment, no gym membership, no excuses. You can literally do it anywhere, anytime. Stuck at home with the kids? Squeeze in a quick workout during their nap time? Traveling for work? No problem, use your hotel room or even find a park. And the beauty of bodyweight exercises is their scalability. Just starting out? No problem. Modify the movements to suit your fitness level. As you get stronger, progress to more challenging variations. Level up progressive overload with weights. Now, while bodyweight training offers incredible convenience, weight training excels at providing a clear path for progressive overload. With weights, you can easily track your progress and continue challenging yourself over time. Add 5 pounds to the bar this week, increase your reps next week. The possibilities for progression are endless. This constant challenge keeps your muscles guessing, preventing plateaus, and ensuring consistent growth. And the feeling of hitting a new personal record, of conquering a weight you never thought possible, it's an incredible feeling of accomplishment. Now let's talk about everyone's least favorite topic, injuries. The truth is any form of exercise carries some risk of injury, but some methods are inherently safer than others. Generally speaking, bodyweight exercises tend to have a lower risk of injury compared to weight training. This is because you're working with your own body weight, which is a more natural form of resistance. However, improper form can increase the risk of injury in both bodyweight training and weight training. That's why it's crucial to master proper technique before progressing to more challenging variations or heavier weights. So we've looked at the benefits, the risks, the convenience factors. But what does the science say about muscle growth? Well, here's the thing. Both bodyweight exercises and weight training can be effective for building muscle. Studies have shown that both methods can lead to significant increases in muscle mass and strength, especially when performed with sufficient intensity and volume. Ultimately, the best approach for muscle growth depends on individual factors such as training experience, goals, and preferences. So there you have it, folks, the battle of the Titans bodyweight versus weights. Which one comes out on top? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both bodyweight training and weight training offer unique advantages and challenges. The best approach for you depends on your individual goals, preferences, and resources. If you're looking for a convenient, effective way to build functional strength and improve your overall fitness, bodyweight training is a fantastic option. If you're serious about maximizing muscle growth and enjoy the challenge of progressive overload, weight training might be your jam. All right, folks, that's a wrap on this epic showdown. We've explored the ins and outs of bodyweight training and weight training, examining their benefits, risks, and scientific backing. Remember, the best approach is the one that you enjoy and can stick with consistently. Whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting your fitness journey, there's a method out there for you. So get out there, experiment, and find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun with it. Because at the end of the day, the best workout is the one you actually do. Stay pumped, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.